In this video we will begin to assist you with importing data in the farm management area. There are many places where data can be imported to, from the map catalog down to the master farm data, in several supported formats, but typically those would be ISO XML, which need to be zipped, or in a shape format. The import function is typically found in a corner at the top right of the page. When you open the import tool, the system will indicate which formats are compatible. This information can vary depending on where you access the import option. If we take the example of importing fields, open the farm management area and select Fields. Look over to the top right and click Import. And choose either shapefile, SHP, or ISO XML format. After selecting your chosen format, you can browse your computer or drag and drop the required files into the system. If the system does not already contain the matching master data, you may be asked to assign missing information. Start by providing a valid from date for the fields. This is important to ensure historic AutoDoc data can be loaded, therefore make sure you go back further enough. Then you can assign the field to a farm if needed. Remembering we can make alterations later. Click Continue, which will take us to the next stage. Here you can review the import information in more detail, viewing individual or multiple fields on the map. The legend in the top right of the map shows the status of each field. There is also an auto-correction switch that enables an overlap tolerance to help with minor geometry issues. You can at this point use the check boxes to be more selective on what is to be imported. Anything highlighted red can be dealt with in the next stages. After you click Import and return to the fields list, you may now need to resolve conflicts. Use the Conflicts button at the top to view any issues. The Resolve column will describe each problem and let you open it to fix the issue. For example, a boundary overlap is shown in red. To correct it, move the red data points until the boundary turns green. Taking care to locate the specific overlapping points and saving your changes. That conflict is now resolved and the field will appear in the system. Conflicts can occur elsewhere in the system and are resolved in a similar way. Unresolved conflicts can affect functionality, so ideally they need to be fixed first. If you need additional help managing or troubleshooting data, please contact your dealer for expert assistance.